I want to share my thoughts with you on this very simple cleansing brush. It is all natural fibers, wooden handle. It's all one unit, so there's no chance of it breaking where it usually would join. The bristles are firm but yet soft as well, if that makes sense to anyone. They're firm enough to wash the face, but soft enough not to make damage to the skin. It actually is a cleansing brush for your face, but I actually use it for my dog's paws because she battles with problems with her paws. So I put a cream on it and I gently rub it into her paws. So it's gentle enough for the little pads, it's gentle enough for your face, your skin. So I recommend these. Very easy, very simple design, but all natural, comfortable, easy to use.